snow that's coming with this system is expected to be heavy and wet, as we mentioned, making it hard to remove.
Madison Rios has you covered on who is at the highest risk of shoveling-induced heart issues and the best ways to shovel your sidewalk or driveway safely.
Snow removal is a chore, regardless of how it's done. But when the snow is wet and heavy, like the kind we're expecting to get in southern Wisconsin on Tuesday, this chore could be dangerous.
So if you're getting prepared to go out and shovel and you have any question of if that's going to be hard on your body or putting your heart at a little bit more work than you're used to, I would take it slowly.
Dr. Casey Cronenfeld says many people are surprised by how strenuous shoveling is on the body. She says people should view shoveling as any other form of exercise. If you haven't worked out in a while, you're likely not going to start back up again by running a marathon, so take it slow. Dr. Cronenfeld also mentioned who is at the highest risk of shoveling-induced heart issues.
Our elderly or our young populations whose bodies just do not regulate temperature quite as well. And many people who if you have other medical conditions, honestly, it doesn't have to just be heart or lung conditions.
Because the strain of shoveling heavy snow oftentimes surprises people, Dr. Cronenfeld highlighted an important cautionary.
Cases that we see are those that maybe don't predict that this may be a challenge for them, is maybe, they haven't been significantly active due to whatever reason in the most recent months, and they go out and try to tackle shoveling. That may hit their body a little bit harder and surprise them on how they're feeling.
The best advice she had to offer is to take things slow. If you have to go out and shovel, try to be with somebody else. And if you start to feel short in breath or pain in your chest, these are signs to stop. If these symptoms persist, you should seek medical attention right away. Reporting in Madison, Madison Rios, 27 News.
So here are some best practices for snow removal from the American Heart Association. Make sure you give yourself a break and take things slow. Don't eat a heavy meal before or soon after shoveling. Use a small shovel or consider a snow blower to prevent heavy lifting. Listen to your body if you're feeling symptoms and consult a doctor if you're at higher risk ahead of the snowfall.